Hi, I purchased the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the Explorer. It has 16 functions. I've already opened it, as you can see. Yes, so let me explain. This is a toothpick. Has some tweezers to come along with it. This is like the number 10 function, key ring, corkscrew. This right here is a multi-purpose hook. It says for parcel carrier, number 14. Right here, this is a reamer. Right here is the can opener, and it has a small standard screwdriver. This is a Phillips screwdriver right here. This is the bottle opener with the large standard. Here is a magnifying glass, so you can see stuff better, obviously. The large blade, because it wouldn't be a knife if it didn't have a knife. The smaller blade, for when you don't need to use the big blade or you don't want to dull it. And you got some scissors, so that's just basically covers it. Got the red one. You can get it off the internet on the Swiss Army knife website for probably about 60 bucks, anywhere between like 40 or 60 bucks. I seen one that had a lot of functions, like almost $100. Not including shipping, but there you could get them engraved. Yeah, I got this from Fry's. This was about $35. My dad got me this for my birthday present, and pretty much that's really everything about this knife. Tomorrow I'll upload some videos of 2 Gerber knives I got, so yeah, check those out.